Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to reset Aliexpress account. But as always, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support the channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open your Aliexpress, and now you will see the sign in button at the bottom. You just have to tap on it. Now in the sign in page, tap on forgot password at the bottom. After that, you have to slide this button to verify your email. Now Aliexpress will send you a code by your email. And yeah, here's the email. You just have to type the 6 digit that you received to the column here. After that, tap on next. And now you can input your new password now. In the column below, you have to confirm your new password. If you're done, tap on next button. Now again, you will receive to sign in page and try to enter your new password that you have made. Tap on sign in now. Yeah, you already logged in. Let's check to your profile here by tap the account icon at the bottom. And yeah, my account is already back now. So guys, just it for me. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will helpful. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.